In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on this phone. So at first just open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon and select settings. And here you'll notice voicemail, so smoothly click on it, select notifications, and here by tapping on sound you can choose the one that you would like to apply, that you would like to use as your new voicemail notification sound. Let me choose, for example, sticky. Let's go back, and as you can see, it has been already applied. So this is it, so you can quickly, smoothly and easily change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.